A pain-free back for life. 5 simple moves, 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes. Your lower back doesn't need rest. It needs the right kind of strength. Do these 5 moves and protect your spine for decades. Dead bug. Most people brace their back when lifting, but the real fix is training your core to protect your spine automatically. The dead bug teaches your deep core muscles to stabilize your spine while your limbs move. This builds a natural, built-in brace. Master this, and your back stays safe during every lift, twist, and reach. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back, arms pointed at the ceiling. Bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle. Lower one arm and the opposite leg together. Keep your lower back pressed flat to the floor. Return to start and switch sides. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per side. This is how you build a natural spine brace. Bird dog. Most people think back pain means weak muscles, but it's actually caused by poor balance between your core and hips. The bird dog trains your core and glutes to work together while keeping your spine still. This stability protects you from awkward, sudden movements. Stick with this, and you'll move through daily life without fear of tweaking your back. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one arm straight forward. Extend the opposite leg straight back. Keep your hips level, no tilting. Hold for 2 seconds, then switch sides. Aim for 3 sets of 8 reps per side. This is how you build unshakable stability. Glute bridge. Most people blame their back for lower back pain, but the real cause is often weak, inactive glutes. The glute bridge wakes up your glutes, so they take pressure off your lower back. Strong glutes mean your spine stops compensating for lazy muscles. Do this daily, and your back stops carrying weight it was never meant to hold. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Push through your heels to lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 2 seconds before lowering. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. This is how you take pressure off your spine. Side plank. Most people only train their front core with crunches, but the real weak spot is usually the sides of your core. The side plank strengthens your obliques, the muscles running along your waist. These muscles stop your spine from bending sideways under stress. Build this up, and your back stays protected during twisting, reaching, and carrying. Here's how to do it. Lie on your side, elbow under your shoulder. Stack your feet on top of each other. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Keep your core tight, no sagging hips. Hold the position, then switch sides. Aim for 3 sets of 20 seconds per side. This is how you armor your spine from the sides. Cat-cow stretch. Most people sit for hours without moving their spine, but the real problem is a stiff, locked-up back. The cat-cow stretch moves your spine through its full range of motion. This keeps the discs and joints in your back healthy and mobile. Practice this daily, and your back stays loose, flexible, and pain-free. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees. Arch your back and drop your belly down. Then round your spine toward the ceiling. Move slowly between both positions. Breathe deeply with every movement. Aim for 2 sets of 10 slow reps. This is how you keep your spine mobile for life. Do this every single day. That's it. Now, if you want to build total body strength that supports your back even more, watch this video next. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.